so sad to see how the people them pre-Jamaicans are so ignorant and gullible. The people them create a disaster, bro. And know say yo, from Jamaicans in times of need, give them any straw, them go hold on pan it. The people them create a distraction for implement them real action, bro. Them know say yo, once this happen, Jamaicans are gonna need them internet. Them are gonna need certain things, and the people them implement them Starlink internet thing. You see it, and Jamaicans are flock it. Bring it come in a normal day, a normal time when people up and active, them nah go meds you. But them know how Jamaicans are very gullible. Put them in a certain spot. Them may take help from even them worst enemy. So stay. And that the people them do. Bro, you think this hurricane was nothing? Bigger disaster and things out there towards Jamaica, you see me? But the people them just make it a divert in a some form a different way. Where Jamaicans can't see it and realize what happened. You see me? And you see, because some people lack a basic, you see me? And them ignorant and stupid towards certain things, them nah go see nothing. Everything is a myth. And all what happen is just a phase. But them not understand. Nothing happen by mistake, man. Nothing happen by chance. Everything hard then for happen. Even your own death. Done written. You see me? So you see, if you keep on and live like this, we are not open our eyes towards everything, every movements, every happenings, and I get caught in the blood cleat system. I can tell you that. Jamaicans so easy for fool and manipulate. I can tell you, bro. Give them what them want, and you get where you want. I saw Jamaican stand, brother. Them no look for nothing. Them no look for nothing where you give them. And if you don't believe me, just have something to give somebody where you know. And just hand it to them. Them they even check or do no research on what them are do for find out if where I go on really makes sense. Them just take what you give them. You see me? No harm to Jamaicans, bro. No harm to you out here, but people are going to always walk over because you know why? It's easy to control a body of people who is divided than to control a body of people who is united. Sound like it don't make sense though. Yes, when people unite, you see anything where you come with, you see if you not come with where them unite for and where them stand for, you better leave. But you see once people divided, you can manipulate a set. Yes, when you manipulate that set there, you control a set there. That set there going to manipulate the other set. If you believe in the way you are do. And it's easy for you to take over. Because you know why? You say if some don't believe in the way you do, them are going to say, yo, you know what? Fuck it. I don't care. And just lower you make you do what you want to do. You see me? And them end up falling in your system. And be a part of your system. And them don't know. You see me? And that's what happened out of Jamaica. We divided out here. Some are say this, some are say that. Some good with this, some good with that. Be here that happen out here. Body have them own free will and them own free mind, you see me? But nobody now have the right to have your deal with it like you have one little lab rat and you have one little mouse. When you live and stand for something, bro, Father God give you a life. Live on a life and stand for something in life, bro. When I make people manipulate, control, push around just because you say, yo, them are higher authorities, them are higher heads, them richer than you. Bro, richness is life, brother. Make no man fool with them money, brother. It was a great blessing. Because you know why? Nothing greater than the Father. And our Father created you. So no money or wealth or asset where a boy or a girl have can't higher than the one who create you. Only thing that will be above you. But me I tell you, Jamaicans weak, bro. I will fall for any and everything. So we now go better in life. People them know how to walk on Jamaican. And as me as a little regular man know and see how you can control Jamaican. What you think about higher people? All them no soon as nobody dog. I tell you that. Soon as some little fool, some little monkey. So them see we out there. Can do anything to them, throw anything upon them. And it work. Cause them fool no fuck. So the people them attack we. Can tell you that.